Hey fellow YouTubers, if you are willing to increase your YouTube channel subs and want to grow your channel organically, and this is the way how you do it. It's nothing than Google Ads. They have got latest update, like if you are willing to showcase your YouTube videos on particular channels, you can do it now. Like if you are tech content creator, you can showcase your videos on Technical Guruji's channel, and if you are a gamer, you can showcase your videos on Dynamo or Scout videos. If you are a new account creator, you can just get 2000 credit. If you use 2500 of your own amount by adding it to the Google Ads, then you can get additional 2000 after completing it in 1 month. So this is how it gives. Without getting any delay, let's get started. So you have to click on new campaign. So after clicking that, it will redirect to the page where you can create an ad, where you have to select create a campaign without a goal, which is the last option. After that, you have to create a video ad. Obviously you are going to telecast your YouTube video, so it's a video thing. And custom video campaign, the first option we are going to select, and nothing else. Non-skippable stream, these are not required. You are going to create a custom layout for the ad and continue. So it redirects to the next page. We have to add your YouTube video name or the campaign name, whatever you want. The campaign name, I want to give it as a giveaway name, like it's a giveaway video that I'm going to promote. And this is maximum CPV, you have to do it, not the target CPM. If you are gonna create a target CPM, you have to get a particular amount in the Google Ads account, like 1000 for this many views. If you are doing it is maximum CPV, like you're gonna get one view for that amount you are entering. Like if you want to get one view for 20 paisa, you're gonna get 20 paisa for one view, or 5 paisa one view. That's how it works. And daily campaign I'm gonna run with 150 budget for one day. And start time I have given, end time there is nothing limit. Whatever the amount I have in the account will be used in the ad itself. So this is how you're gonna enter. You can create a end date if you want to create. If not, just leave it with the start date itself. No need to mention the end date. When the amount is done in your account, it definitely stops the ad. Nothing extra gonna charge for the videos that you are telecasting on the YouTube ads. So this is what the budget and daily thing. Coming to the network, YouTube search results, YouTube videos, and YouTube partner. This thing you have to uncheck. Default it is checked, you have to uncheck the third thing. Just only first and second is required. All country territories or just India location you can mark. If you're using all countries, you're gonna get less amount used for the video. If you're specifically entering the country, then you're gonna get a more charge for one view. And language, keep it all. If you are using English language, if it is Hindi, you can select Hindi, but cost per view would be increased. Like if you're selecting all language, it might take up to 10 paisa per view, but if you are taking specific language, then it can get up to 12 to 15 paisa per view. That's how it works. So I'm gonna leave it like all language for now. And inventory type, these are three things you need to keep in mind. Limited inventory is like the video won't be telecasted in any adult content videos. If you select standard, just limitations would be there. If you click on expanded inventory, anywhere in the YouTube video it would be telecasted. And you have to uncheck the content not yet labeled, and you have to check the embedded videos and live stream videos. It means like your videos are going to be telecast on uploaded videos and live stream videos, not the content not yet labeled, which are private videos. So that's how it works. And next thing we are going to check is additional settings. And related videos is like you're gonna add 2 videos additional for the video that you are going to telecast as a Google ad. Like if you are going to telecast one video for what you're paying, additionally it can show you 2 videos extra in the banners of your video. Like whatever the video you are telecasting, there would be option to add 2 more videos to that ad. So I'm gonna promote my next 2 videos which are related to that video. I'm gonna show it here. Like this is okay. I'm gonna grab these 2 links and I'll paste it here. Just click done. You're gonna get 2 additional video views in this segment. So click done. So this is how ad looks like. My video, and these are the two other videos that could be telecasted in the bottom of that video. So this is how it works. Coming to the additional settings, conversation, there is nothing to do. And devices, you can select the devices, whatever the devices you want, like if you want only mobile users, you can select them. If you want tablet users, you can select them. If you want all, you can select them. Most probably I won't prefer TV screens, because TV most of the people would use for the entertainment videos, not for the tech videos or gaming videos, so I would uncheck that. And frequency capping, this is the main thing you have to keep in mind. Like if you check this, you can telecast your video for one user how many times as you want. Cap frequency is required. If you show your video constantly to one user, you get fed up with your videos and you would just report, so that your ad get closed. Or so I would say, like I wanna show my video to one person 2 times in a day, that's it, not more than that. It's okay if he watches, you wanna get charge for one view. If he's not watching, you're not gonna charge for it. And view frequency capping, like he can only view one time. If he viewed our video again, it's not going to show to him in that day itself. Like only one time in one day the ad is telecasted to one person. And schedule time, it's not at all required. Let it be for 24 hours, in any time it can show. And group name, I'll keep it as Royal Pass, that's it. And demographics is where you have to select the age group. This is a gaming video, right? So most of the people would be like 18 to 24, not more than that. So I'm gonna uncheck all these. And female male thing, just keep it like that, don't mess up with these things, just keep it to the age filtering, not the other things. So this is done. And coming to the audience, this is a main part where you can directly select whomever you want to. In my case, I am gonna check the gamers, not the other action mobile gamers or mobile phones. I'm just gonna go with the gamers. So that's it for here. Here is the latest update. Like if you want to telecast your video, you can also go with the keywords. And if you want to get your video to be telecast in the top place of the particular keywords, you can give the keywords. Like Royal Pass giveaway, I'm giving the keyword for this video, and it's gonna definitely come in the top if someone searches. And coming to the topic, this is not at all required for us. And coming to the placement, here is the main part what I'm talking about. You can telecast on any other YouTube content creators videos. Like it's a gaming video, right? So I'm gonna target like Mr. Spike, who is a good gamer from the Hyderabad itself. So if I'm going to check out his channel, when someone is watching his videos, my ad would be telecasted under his video for sure. Coming to Jonathan, if I tap on Jonathan channel, my videos are gonna get added to Jonathan videos in related search. So this is how it goes in the latest update. So super easy, right? If you are a tech content creator, go with the Technical Guruji or Tech Burner. I'm a gamer here, so I'm gonna go with Unique Gamer. So this is how it goes for me. And I selected few channels over here, and that's it for now. So here comes the main part, it's our bidding. I'm gonna give like 20 paisa per video, because I want to get this video as fast as in YouTube ad. So I'm giving 20 paisa, but in your case just type it as to 10 paisa to 15 paisa between, definitely your ad would be telecasted. And then you have to paste your YouTube video link here. Whatever the video you want to post, you have to paste this, and these traditional videos would be telecasted under that video what you are posting now. So this is how it goes, right? So after this, you have to select the skippable in-stream ad or video discovery ad. Skippable is really costly thing. You have to pay like 50 paisa to 80 paisa per one view, and video discovery ad is like a less one, where you can get from 5 paisa to 25 paisa for max. Definitely you would get a one view from this 5 paisa to 25 paisa. So I'm suggesting go with the video discovery ad, and here you have to give the YouTube name, like a video name. it's not same name what you want to, you can put any sort of name in this. I'm gonna post it like a Royal Pass giveaway, BGMI. So this is what I'm gonna post. Description you can give it like subscribe my channel or please watch till the end, whatever you want to, you can post it here and subscribe and win. This is what I'm typing. Coming to the next one, free entry. So this is done, and ad number as it is, I want to keep something like RP or give me whatever you want to, keep it according to your thought process. And this is how it gone, and we are gonna remain with 30 million impressions, like 30 million people are available with our ad. So this gonna reach within 20 paisa only. So this is how ad is ready. Just you have to click on continue to campaign. So done. Here you can see your video status is like eligible. It's not at all approved, it's just eligible for 20 paisa maximum CPV, like count per view. You are giving 20 paisa per one view. And coming to the ads group, you could see it's pending under review. It would be processed within 6 hours. It's like it's gonna take up to 1 day in rare cases. If it's a lengthy video or it's a spam video, it's gonna take 1 day for sure. If it's not, definitely it would be approved under 6 hours. So this is how you create a Google ad for your YouTube video and gain organic views instantly. And this is how I got subs very fast in just 2 or 3 months previously. So this is how I worked out. So hope this helps you a lot for your future videos. If you are new to my channel, please do hit a subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end and keep smiling. Take care. Bye bye.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in